If you're over 60 and struggling with weak legs, shrinking arms, or just feeling frail, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's one simple ingredient that could help rebuild your muscle, even if you can't exercise? Yes, it sounds unbelievable, but new research shows this one powerful nutrient can actually stimulate muscle repair and slow sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss most seniors don't even realize is happening until it's too late. In today's video, I'm revealing the name of this ingredient, how it works inside your body, and how to get the right amount every single day. It's natural, affordable, and already used in hospitals to preserve muscle in bedridden patients. And the best part, it works even while you rest. Stay with me, because at the end of the video, I'll show you exactly how to combine it with one simple food to double the results. So what is this mysterious muscles ingredient? It's called HMBB, short for beta-hydroxybutyrate. This remarkable compound isn't some laboratory creation or pharmaceutical invention. Rather, it's a natural substance your body already produces in small amounts. HMBB is derived from the amino acid leucine, the same essential amino acid found in high-protein foods like eggs, dairy, and chicken. Your body goes through a complex metabolic pathway to convert leucine into HMBB, which then works at the cellular level to protect and rebuild muscle tissue. But here's the catch that explains why so many seniors struggle with muscle loss despite eating protein. As we age, our ability to produce and efficiently use HMBB declines sharply. This decline begins around age 50 and accelerates after 60, creating a perfect storm for muscle loss. While your younger body could effectively convert leucine to HMBB and utilize it to maintain muscle mass, your aging metabolism becomes progressively less efficient at this critical conversion. Additionally, the muscle cells themselves become less responsive to the HMBB that is produced, creating a form of anabolic resistance that makes maintaining muscle increasingly difficult with each passing year. Now, here's the incredible part that's changing how we think about aging and muscle health. Extensive research shows that HMBB can help preserve and even rebuild muscle mass in older adults, even without intense exercise. This finding represents a paradigm shift in how we approach sarcopenia and aging. While traditional advice has always emphasized high-intensity resistance training, which many seniors cannot perform due to joint issues, balance concerns, or medical conditions, HMBB offers a metabolic alternative that works at the biochemical level. The mechanism is fascinating and multifaceted. HMBB works through several pathways simultaneously. It dramatically reduces muscle protein breakdown by inhibiting specific enzymes responsible for muscle degradation. This anti-catabolic effect essentially puts the brakes on the accelerated muscle loss that occurs with aging. Simultaneously, HMBB stimulates protein synthesis through the mTOR pathway, the same cellular mechanism activated by resistance exercise, effectively telling your body to construct new muscle tissue, even without the stimulus of heavy lifting. Additionally, research indicates HMBB helps regenerate damaged muscle cell membranes and may even influence satellite cells, the stem cells responsible for muscle repair that become less active with age. In fact, some of the most promising clinical studies have found that seniors taking HMBB experienced significant improvements in strength and mobility, even if they were bedbound, recovering from surgery, or otherwise unable to exercise regularly. One landmark study published in the Journal of Gerontology showed that elderly patients supplementing with HMBB maintained muscle mass during 10 days of bed rest, while the placebo group lost significant muscle tissue. Another clinical trial demonstrated that nursing home residents taking HMBB for 12 weeks increased their grip strength by 13.7% and their leg strength by 17.8%, translating to meaningful improvements in daily function and independence. These results are particularly remarkable considering that muscle loss during periods of inactivity occurs much more rapidly in older adults than younger ones. Without intervention, seniors can lose 5 to 10% of their muscle mass during just 1 week of bed rest, a devastating loss that can take months to recover if recovery is possible at all. HMBB appears to provide a metabolic shield against this accelerated breakdown, preserving precious muscle tissue during periods of reduced activity. Of course, HMBB isn't a magic pill or miracle cure. It works best when paired with good nutrition and whatever level of physical activity is appropriate for your condition. Adequate protein intake provides the foundational building blocks for muscle tissue, while even light movement helps improve circulation and neural activation of muscles. But for those of us dealing with sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss that affects nearly 1 in 3 adults over 60 and up to 50% of those over 80, HMBB can be a powerful part of your daily defense against frailty and dependence. The typical effective dose in clinical studies ranges from 1.5 to 3 grams daily, usually divided into 2 or 3 servings to maintain steady blood levels throughout the day. This targeted approach ensures your muscles receive continuous protection against breakdown while supporting ongoing repair and maintenance. Before taking any supplement, be sure to check with your doctor, particularly if you have kidney issues or take medications. But if you're looking for a simple science-backed way to stay strong without the gym, HMBB might be your secret weapon against the muscle loss that too many seniors consider inevitable. Remember, this isn't about achieving a bodybuilder's physique. It's about maintaining the functional strength needed for independence, mobility, and quality of life as you age. Now, let's talk about the 7 foods that naturally support this same muscle-preserving process and how you can combine them with HMBB for even better results. These everyday foods contain compounds that work synergistically with HMBB, enhancing its effectiveness through complementary pathways and providing the additional nutrients your body needs to optimize muscle maintenance during your golden years. The first food on our list is cottage cheese. Cottage cheese stands as one of the most powerful foods for seniors concerned with muscle maintenance, due to its exceptional leucine content, the direct precursor amino acid that your body converts into HMBB. This transformation is crucial because HMBB beta-hydroxybethylarate works at the cellular level to prevent muscle protein breakdown, while simultaneously supporting new muscle synthesis. For seniors experiencing sarcopenia, cottage cheese provides a double benefit. Its high-quality protein immediately supports muscle maintenance, while the naturally occurring HMB precursors create a protective effect against the accelerated muscle breakdown that happens with age. Research shows that the leucine in cottage cheese converts to HMBB at a rate that can significantly impact muscle preservation even during periods of reduced activity that many seniors experience. When it comes to incorporating cottage cheese into our daily routine, flexibility is key to sustainable habits. Start your morning with a half cup of cottage cheese topped with berries and a sprinkle of nuts. This combination provides HMBB precursors alongside antioxidants that further support muscle health by reducing inflammation. For a savory option, blend cottage cheese with herbs, olive oil, and a touch of garlic to create a protein-rich dip for vegetables or whole grain crackers. Perhaps most beneficial is consuming cottage cheese as an evening snack about 30 minutes before bedtime. The slow-digesting casein protein creates a steady overnight release of leucine and other amino acids during sleep, precisely when muscle breakdown typically accelerates in seniors. This nighttime strategy essentially provides a protective shield of HMBB precursors throughout your sleeping hours, helping you wake up with preserved rather than diminished muscle tissue. The second food perfect for fighting sarcopenia is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt represents another exceptional source of HMBB precursors thanks to its concentrated protein content, nearly triple that of regular yogurt due to its straining process. This dense nutritional profile delivers significant amounts of leucine, which your body efficiently metabolizes into HMBB through a series of biochemical conversions. The resulting HMBB then works to protect your existing muscle tissue from the breakdown that accelerates after age 60. What makes Greek yogurt particularly valuable for seniors is that its protein is absorbed at different rates, some quickly and some slowly, creating both immediate and sustained delivery of the leucine needed for HMBB production. This continuous supply helps combat the anabolic resistance common in aging muscles, where more protein is needed to stimulate the same muscle-preserving response compared to younger adults. Incorporating Greek yogurt into Daily routine offers nearly endless possibilities that make consistent consumption easy and enjoyable. Replace sour cream with Greek yogurt in recipes like baked potatoes, tacos, or as a base for dressings to instantly boost your meal's muscle-preserving potential. Create protein-rich breakfast parfaits by layering Greek yogurt with fruits, nuts, and a sprinkle of cinnamon, delivering HMBB precursors alongside other nutrients that support overall tissue health. Alternatively, blend Greek yogurt into smoothies with fruits and vegetables for a complete nutritional package that supports muscle maintenance through multiple pathways. For maximum muscle-preserving benefits, choose full-fat varieties rather than non-fat versions, as the fat helps with the absorption of vitamin D and other fat-soluble vitamins necessary for optimal muscle function and recovery. The probiotics in Greek yogurt provide an additional benefit by supporting gut health, which emerging research suggests plays an important role in muscle preservation through improved nutrient absorption and reduced inflammation. Food number 3. Eggs. Eggs provide one of nature's most perfect packages of muscle-up supporting nutrition for seniors, delivering high-quality complete protein with an ideal amino acid profile, particularly rich in leucine, the direct precursor to HMBB. When you consume eggs, your body metabolizes this leucine into HMBB, which then acts as a protective agent against muscle breakdown, while simultaneously supporting tissue repair. What makes eggs unique among HMBBU supporting foods is their exceptional bioavailability, meaning your body can utilize virtually all of their nutritional components efficiently. This is especially important for seniors as digestive efficiency naturally declines with age. The HMBB produced from egg protein works through multiple mechanisms. It helps prevent muscle protein breakdown by inhibiting specific pathways that trigger muscle loss, while the complete amino acid profile simultaneously stimulates muscle protein synthesis, essentially addressing both sides of the muscle maintenance equation. The versatility of eggs makes them perhaps the easiest HMBB supporting food to incorporate into your daily routine. Start your day with 2 to 3 eggs, prepared any style. Scrambled with vegetables, poached on whole grain toast, or as an omelet with cheese and herbs. This morning protein infusion provides your muscles with HMBB precursors that work throughout the morning hours when many seniors are most active. For lunch, add hard-boiled eggs to salads for a protein boost that helps maintain muscle tissue during afternoon activities. Create quick egg-based dinners like frittatas loaded with vegetables and herbs for an evening meal that provides the raw materials for overnight muscle repair. Contrary to outdated nutritional advice, the yolks contain most of the nutrients vital for muscle health, including vitamin D, B vitamins, and essential fatty acids that support HMBB's effectiveness. So consume whole eggs rather than just whites for maximum muscle-preserving benefits. For seniors concerned about cholesterol, research now clearly shows that egg consumption does not negatively impact cardiovascular health for most individuals, making them a safe, economical, and exceptionally beneficial addition to a muscle-preserving diet. The 4th food on our list is salmon. Salmon delivers a powerful combination of high-quality protein-rich in leucine, the HMBB precursor, alongside omega-3 fatty acids that create the perfect biochemical environment for muscle preservation in aging adults. When you consume salmon, your body converts its abundant leucine into HMBB through a series of metabolic processes, creating a protective effect against the accelerated mus. The breakdown common after age 60. What makes salmon uniquely effective for muscle maintenance is this dual action approach. The HMBB precursors directly inhibit muscle catabolism breakdown, while the omega-3 fatty acids simultaneously reduce the chronic low-grade inflammation that contributes significantly to age-related muscle loss. Research indicates that this inflammation-muscle loss connection is particularly important for seniors, as inflammatory markers naturally increase with age and directly correlate with accelerated sarcopenia progression. Creating a sustainable salmon routine provides consistent access to these HMBB precursors while being flexible enough to prevent dietary boredom. Aim for 4 to 6 ounce portions of salmon 2 to 3 times weekly, prepared in various ways to maintain interest. Bake salmon fillets with lemon, dill, and olive oil for a simple dinner that delivers optimal HMBB precursors alongside healthy fats that enhance nutrient absorption. Add canned salmon to salads for a convenient lunch option that provides muscle-up supporting nutrition without requiring cooking. Create easy salmon patties using canned salmon, eggs, and herbs for a cost-effective way to incorporate this premium protein source into your routine. For maximum benefit, combine salmon with vegetables rich in antioxidants like bell peppers, spinach, or broccoli. As research suggests, these create synergistic effects that enhance the muscle-preserving benefits of the HMBB precursors. The vitamin D naturally present in salmon further supports muscle function by ensuring proper contraction capabilities and neural activation, two aspects of muscle health that often decline in seniors independently of actual muscle mass loss. The next food is beef. Beef contains some of the highest naturally occurring levels of leucine among protein sources, making it an exceptional food for Sue, supporting HMBB production in the body. This concentrated leucine content ensures efficient conversion to HMBB, which then works to protect existing muscle tissue from breakdown, a critical concern for adults over 60. What separates beef from other protein sources is its complete amino acid profile, alongside nutrients specifically supportive of muscle function, including creatine, carnitine, iron, and zinc, all working synergistically with HMBB to maintain muscle integrity. For seniors experiencing diminished appetite common with aging, beef's nutrient density becomes particularly valuable, delivering substantial amounts of HMBB precursors in relatively small portions compared to less concentrated protein sources. Incorporating beef into your routine requires attention to both quality and preparation methods to maximize its muscle-preserving benefits while minimizing any potential